Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from to+video. Here are a couple of the Sweet Dreams Emotional Support Comfort Snails that I've made on the Lucet. When a lady saw the first video that I made about them, she said, "Oh, but we don't have pennies in the States anymore." And I said, "We don't have them here in Canada either." And I thought, oh gosh, what can I put in the middle of the snail to be a replacement for a lucky penny if people don't have lucky pennies? And I thought, well, anything that's about the size of your thumbnail that you can put good wishes in will work as long as it's flat and about the same size as a penny, so that will be at the heart of your Sweet Dreams snail, so that it will carry good wishes. So that's one of those little puddled bits of glass. It's flattish and it's about the size of a penny or a thumbnail. That'll work. Buttons that from the button box or button jar, a flat pebble, a found washer. Okay, there's the penny. This button the back has gone all squished, that little shank part, no use. A bit of sea glass. Oh, perfect. You know, the sea has washed it for, who knows, millennia. Not millennia, but thousands, hundreds, many years. A bit of tree branch that I cut off and drilled holes in and never used as a button, a flat bead. All of these will work just fine for you to put your good wishes in, so that at the heart of your emotional support comfort snail, there will be all kinds of good wishes flowing through and to and from you and whoever the snail goes to live with. So I'm going to go off now. My battery is flashing saying fill me up again, so I'm going to go fill the battery, and I'm going to experiment with some of these found objects and see how they work for making the emotional support comfort Sweet Dreams snails. So off we go to charge the batteries and make some more snails. Oh yeah, did I remember to say, go to toddytalkscrafts.com for more information? Yeah, and the pattern for the snails, oops, I shouldn't have touched the screen, it's doing weird things now. The pattern for the Lucet snails is in my Etsy shop. Okay, off I go now. And I'll be back soon. So here is the little snail that I have made with substituting instead of a penny. Where'd the penny go? Okay, so instead of using a penny in a lucky penny, I've put together actually a few things. A tiny bit of sea glass, a little pebble that my husband found on walking the dog yesterday. It was just a beautiful little pebble that he had to pick up, and and a button that just struck me as being perfect. And so they just work beautifully inside the Sweet Dreams Emotional Support Comfort Snail. So I'm going to change the pattern and add other blessing things that can go inside that will have just as much delight and presence for them, for the sweet little snails, as the lucky pennies do. So if you don't have a lucky penny, find something else. Even write a little note and tuck it in, and enjoy your own sweet little emotional support snails. And sweet dreams. All the best. Talk to you soon. Cheerio. And enjoy your Lucets, of course.